adopted kittens. I bring cat food for them. So these are the kittens or the cats that I'm feeding. That one, I'm not sure if it's a male or a female. Maybe female. This one, I'm not sure either. So yes, by the way guys, if you want to donate for these cute little animals, you can. Please let me know. I'm really accepting donations because they're actually multiplying. There is one kitten that's hidden somewhere. See, I'm in the parking lot. I just took a long break. My boss is gonna kill me, but I'll be lucky. So yes, please bring me sales, okay? 'Cause I need it. Thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Though I'm featuring my cats, but I'm still selling real estate, and also I'm a licensed financial advisor. So if you ever come to the Philippines, I'm the best person to talk to about where to put your money and how to do it. Yes, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button now if you're not a subscriber yet. Bye. Psst, langging.